Are you a Mac user looking for a powerful, secure, and fast messaging app? Telegram for Mac might be your perfect match. With a clean and familiar interface, it's easy to send messages, photos, videos, or even massive files, up to 2 GB per transfer. Whether you're chatting with friends or managing professional projects, Telegram makes communication effortless. The best part? It syncs across all your devices in real time. Start a conversation on your iPhone, continue it on your Mac, and never miss a beat. Telegram also prioritizes privacy. Enable secret chats, set messages to self-destruct, and secure everything with two-step verification. And yes, you can fully customize the app. Change themes, chat backgrounds, font styles, and notification preferences to match your workflow and personality. Getting started is simple. Just head over to the Telegram website or the Mac App Store, hit Get Telegram for macOS, and install it. Within minutes, you'll be ready to chat, share, and collaborate, all from your Mac. For detailed instructions, FAQs, and pro tips, be sure to visit our full article. It's packed with everything you need to make the most of Telegram on your Mac.